Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI videos with Synthesia step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Synthesia website. Sign in to your account and open the main dashboard. From the dashboard, start a new video project. You can choose a ready-made template or begin with a blank project, depending on the type of video you want to create. Next, select an AI avatar for your video. Browse through the available presenters and choose one that matches your topic, audience, and presentation style. After selecting your avatar, enter the script you want the presenter to speak. Keep your script clear, natural, and organized so the final presentation is easy to follow. Now choose an AI voice and select the language you want to use. Preview the available voices and select one that fits the tone of your content. Next, customize your video by changing the background, adding text, images, shapes, and other visual elements. You can also create multiple scenes to separate different sections of your content. Once your video is ready, preview the entire project. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, text, and overall visual design. If you notice anything that needs improvement, return to the editor and make the necessary changes. Preview the project again until everything looks and sounds correct. When you're satisfied with the result, generate the video and wait for Synthesia to finish processing it. Once the video is ready, watch the final version from beginning to end and make sure the presentation looks professional and matches your original idea. Finally, export the completed video using the available options. And that's how you can create AI videos with Synthesia.
Hello,
using AI
welcome to this
avatars,
interactive
voice
quiz template, where you can help your viewers learn about various